So yesterday we have seen like how to extract the CDs which we downloaded from support.sap.com, and then we have done the installation of MS SQL, and after that we have started with SAP Netweaver. So SAP Netweaver, if I think I assume that everyone has gone through this document. So if you see here, like we have gone into this installation master directory, and then from here SAP Inst we have double click, and then we selected this option SAP Netweaver 7.0 central system. Okay, and then we proceed further.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So anyone has missed yesterday's lecture, they can go through the video, and I think in the video it is clearly explained. And I guess this video will be shared by Bhupender or Aman by, I think, by Monday. Right, Bhupender? Okay, fine. So I think.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let me know what's.
Okay. So the videos for Thursday and Friday, you will share. If possible, you can share on the group.
Yeah, I have shared in LMS. I will just share a video how to log in LMS. Please log in everyone on our LMS. Also, I assign you, sir. Okay.
Okay. Fine. No issues. Yeah. Thank you. So, so we came at this stage and we stopped yesterday at 9 p.m. So here, if you see the number of parallel jobs, it is by default, it is 3, but we can increase these jobs, okay, depending on the speed of our server. Okay, so I will just increase it to 8. So how I can increase this is like you can just go into my computer properties. So if you see the server is Intel Xeon R, and the memory is 12 GB 64-bit. And if I want to see the how much core the CPU is, I can just go into this task manager. And if I click on this performance option, so you can see here 4 columns. That means it is 4 core CPU. Okay. So the speed of the server is very good. So that's the reason actually we are increasing the number of parallel jobs to 8. Okay. We cannot increase this more. We can increase this more than 8 also, but it should be balanced. Okay.
Jobs means sir background jobs ka?
Yeah, we can call it as background job also. Yeah.
Okay.
Because actually it takes, see currently SAP is not been installed. Okay, so it will be installed by taking the CPU speed and the memory install at the operating system level. Okay, so it is like in SAP we can call this as a background job, but this job will be run at the OS level, that is at the operating system level. Okay, so number of parallel jobs 8, then I will click next.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So if you see here by default, the central instance number, it takes 00. So what is the central instance number? Actually, we are installing the central system, that is the database and the application will be installed on the same server. And the central instance number is nothing but, actually this number will be unique, okay, which will be used for the internal processes. Okay. So this number can be changed. Actually, by default, we keep 00. Okay. And suppose, for example, now if we install quality system also on the same server, then it will take 01 because this number should be unique for that installation. Okay. So I will click next over here. So accordingly, it will take the server port numbers. So if it is 00, it will take 3600, 3900. Okay. And the transport directory is GIS01. This GIS01 is nothing but the host name. If our this number is 01, then this message server port also changes to 3601. Okay. So I will click next here. So here it asks the kernel path. So I need to give the kernel which I downloaded. I will go into this D drive. I will go into downloads, then kernel. So this is that kernel _5. I will drop down till I get to x86. Okay. So this will be the path of that. So this path we need to give for kernel. I will click OK. So for example, you give the wrong path. You give till here. Okay. And you click OK. And you click next. I think it has still taken that path. Okay, let's see. We'll go further. So this is a crypto library. So what is this crypto library? Crypto library is nothing but the files, security files. Okay. So currently we will not take the security files. This is a SAR file which we download from support.sap.com. Okay. So currently we will not take this. So I will just remove that tick mark. I will click next. So this kernel files will be installed at this path. So it is just for our information. So I will click next. So it will create a USR SAP directory on the D drive. So I will click next. So now this is the summary. If you see here, there are 3 options, right? First is the choose option, which installation we need to perform. Then we need to define the parameters, what we defined right now. Then is the summary. What is summary? Here, here you can go through all the parameters. Say, for example, here you have given some wrong information by mistake, so that we can correct it. For example, we'll just click on this and we can click on revise. Okay. So we can change this at this summary point. Okay. This step is just for a cross verification, we can say. Okay. So I will just cross verify whether I have taken the installation drive properly. Okay. The export path. The number of parallel jobs. Okay. Everything I will just check. I will just cross check. And then I will click on next.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay. So here, if you see, it asks for solution manager key. So as this is an older version, in this older version, we need to create a solution manager key. But if you ask me for SAP Netweaver 7.5, so this option they have now removed. Okay, so we don't need to create a solution manager key. Okay, for the latest version. So for SAP Netweaver 7.0, we need to create a solution manager key. But for the latest version, that is SAP NW 7.5. So Solman key is Solman key not required. So how we will create this solution manager key? I will just go into my computer. I will go into D drive. I will go into downloads, then must install. And there is a Solman keys. Okay, so I will just double click this. I will run this. Okay. So it asks 3 points. Okay, according to this screen. In order to create the key. So what is the first point? So what is the system ID? So can you just tell me what is the system ID?